John, you know what I like the most about you?
What's that, Val?
Absolutely nothing.
Well, I appreciate that.
No problem.
Hey, there's a whole list of elite firefighters in the state of Mississippi, and you ain't on it.
I ain't on that list?
Nope.
Oh.
This is kind of like the video for the week. I haven't really had time to do some editing. Just kind of give you guys a little, like in the title, update. I'm working on getting the last two parts of the pond job done and get those last two videos out. Sorry, I'm on duty today, so I have a bunch of background noise that you can hear. Yeah, I got a bunch of tree videos that are coming out. I'm gonna have a ditch line cleanup job that'll probably be filmed, so that'll be some pretty good stuff. It'll probably have the flail mower in it too, so I know like a lot of the viewers have been liking the flail mower, so I'll try to get some good footage of it. Yeah, I just wanted to talk with y'all. I did a post not too long ago, about doing possibly a live video. It's very plausible, but I am trying to get to the 500 subscriber mark. It's kind of like a little goal. So if you know anybody that would like kind of watching these videos, help me out, share them, get them to kind of come along. It's just me building stuff, I do want y'all to kind of give me an idea, like what kind of videos y'all like. Do you like more of the tractor work? Do you want to see pressure washing? Do you want to see grass cutting? Because I really do a little bit of everything. And I don't know if it's going to work out or not, but there may be a house demo in the works. Really early stages of this, so something like that's got a lot of logistics involved in it, but mislead y'all. But I am trying to give y'all some different content and stuff. Yeah, right now I'm just kind of working on getting these saws resharpened up. So I'm just gonna, let you do some time lapse and watch it for a little bit. I got a bunch to do, so. So I actually like to hand file on my chains, on my saws. Just to me, it takes a little longer, but you get a better cut, in my opinion. Sometimes, if they're really buggered up, I'll put them on the grinder. I just don't like doing it. But yeah. But just kind of wanted you to hang out for just a little bit. This is going to be a short video. Nothing crazy. Here, I'll move you over here so you can see. Beep. Yeah, you like our beautiful bay decor back here? But yeah, I hand file all my personal saws pretty much. Of course, the 500 takes a longer because it's got a longer bar on it. I typically round file all these teeth. I'm thinking about doing some square grinding, but I haven't decided yet. But typically, of course, I'm wearing gloves to kind of keep my hands from getting nasty in case we got to run a call. I just basically, get it to where it's just sharp again. It was crazy. I was kind of looking back in the videos, over the past, 18 months. The most viewed video was actually when I got the flail mower. and it's still, yeah, people still comment on it today. But you know, I pretty much screwed it up in the first 20 minutes of running it, and I had so many people like, oh, you're doing this wrong, you got to do it. But yeah, I put it in there, like that's kind of the feedback that I like to get. Somebody may know something more than what I know. I don't know everything. I'm one of those people that, I don't know everything. I'm constantly learning new things. I'm constantly learning new things every day. In this job, both careers. If y'all are new subscribers and following along, I work full-time at a fire department. And I do a bunch of side work, and we do a bunch of different things. Tree work a lot, underbrush stuff, and I do have a grass cutting route that I maintain also. But I do this all on the side, and most of the guys that help me are all fire department personnel, but they all work at different departments. So at one time we all worked at the same department. That's been years ago. Answer a couple questions that I've had lately. The little girl at the end credits is actually my daughter. She is actually 3 years old. I only have one child at the moment, and but she likes watching me work. So I'm gonna take a little break. I want to show you all something. So these are not all my saws, but I get a lot of questions on asking what these saws are. This is the 261. I've been running it lately a lot. This is a little 250, little homeowner saw. I actually do like this a lot because it's so super light. For the top handles, I got the 201, and then I got the Echo 2511. I use this saw a super lot. I'm probably going to get the gas sister of it here pretty soon. And then a lot of questions asking what the big saw is. This is the 500i. I've got 2 bars for it. One's a 28, and then one's a 32. This one's been corded. It's got the West Coast Dogs and Bark Box on it, so it screams. I do have on order a 661. It should be coming in here pretty soon. Turn it down a little bit so you can see. It should be coming in here pretty soon. But and then I'm going to at some point this year probably get a 400. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I do some dirt jobs and gravel driveways and all that kind of stuff. Kind of like I had a client or potential client I was talking to last week. It's like, you're like the one-stop shop. And I was like, well, I've been doing this long enough where I've learned how to do other things, and one thing that I've learned in business, if you do really good work for people, they're going to continue to use you. And my philosophy behind business is do extremely well work, okay, at a really, really good price, okay? And in the retrospect of things, I'm not like the cheapest person, but I'm also not the most expensive. I'm kind of right there in that middle range. And I tell people up front all the time. They ask me, "Hey, can you do it tomorrow?" I'm like, "Nah, I'm like 8 weeks out on a job, I have stuff that's lined out from, you know, a couple months at a time, you know. I know this pond job that y'all were watching, it was probably 5 or 6 months in the works to be able to get it from the initial time to starting time, you know, of actually working it. And, yeah, it's just kind of how it is. I'm working around a, you know, 24-48 schedule too, so. Anyway, just wanted y'all to hang out a little bit and talk. I'm going to continue sharpening this, and I'll probably put you on a time lapse, so if you want to continue watching it, you can. But if not, I'll get these videos coming out, and I'll see y'all on the next job. Sorry YouTube, we had to stop. Caught a call, but got canceled. That's part of it, you know. This kind of line of work, the other job. Luckily, when I'm not doing my station duties and stuff like that, I got some downtime, that's when I work on these kind of things. Like putting those videos out. Sometimes they're done here at the fire station, sometimes they're done at the house. Try not to do them, you know, when my daughter comes home. I need to spend that time with her. Another question that was asked is like, how do you manage all this? And it's just best I can. I try not to overwork myself or overextend my work, and just do things that I know I can handle. But anyway, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.